Hi, I'm Pete, the CEO of Dagster Labs. Today we are launching Dagster Plus, the next evolution of Dagster Cloud. Dagster Plus is a major rethinking of what a data orchestrator is, where it sits in the stack, and how data platforms are constructed. Since our launch in August of 2022, we've seen enormous growth in both the Dagster Core open source project and our commercial product. We now have hundreds of commercial customers and the fastest growing open source community in the category. With this growth comes broader and deeper relationships with our diverse set of customers. As we engaged with these customers throughout 2022 and 2023, we heard a few key challenges. They were spending too much money on infrastructure, especially on the data warehouse, ETL tools, and AI workloads, and struggled to understand, optimize, and control their spend. Their stacks were sprawling and complex with hundreds of different integrations and point solutions and varying levels of maintenance, and no single pane of glass for understanding the data platform as a whole. Inspired by the data mesh architecture, they wanted to empower individual teams to work autonomously end-to-end, but struggled to balance this with the centralized needs of the data organization. We realized that we could solve many of these problems for customers by making a significant investment in tooling that sits on top of the core data orchestration engine. So we spent the last 12 months spinning up a team dedicated to these problems, building furiously, and iterating with design partners. I'm proud of what the team has accomplished, and I'm excited to present the fruits of our labor to you today. So let's dig into what Dagster Plus is specifically and why Dagster Labs is uniquely positioned to deliver this type of product. First and foremost, Dagster Plus is the next evolution of Dagster Cloud, our enterprise-class hosted product. This means it includes everything that was part of Dagster Cloud, including enterprise access control, seamless scale-up to tens of thousands of assets and hundreds of thousands of partitions, and serverless or hybrid on-prem managed infrastructure. This also means that we're retiring the Dagster Cloud brand today. Second, Dagster Plus is a suite of tools that sits on top of Dagster's data orchestration engine and benefits from this deep integration. Today, we'll be focused on 4 primary areas of the product. We've built a brand new data catalog and data discovery capability in Dagster Plus, which enables all users of the data platform to discover and leverage data autonomously. Dagster Plus builds on Dagster Core's asset checks feature, introducing additional capabilities around anomaly detection, freshness, and alerting. We've made massive improvements to our branch deployments feature from Dagster Cloud and are launching a killer new capability, change tracking, with Dagster Plus. And finally, Dagster Insights enables data teams to manage their spend on tools like Snowflake, Fivetran, and OpenAI without doing any additional integration work. With Dagster Plus, Insights is now generally available and comes with many new features and integrations. The upcoming presentations will dive into each of these in detail. But before we do, I wanted to touch on why we, rather than our competitors, are uniquely positioned to address these challenges. Dagster has historically been considered a data orchestrator. All of Dagster's main alternatives, such as Apache Airflow, proudly declare themselves as workflow-oriented tools. They are primarily focused on the scheduling of black box tasks. While this makes these tools quite flexible and suitable for a variety of non-data applications, they are not specialized to the data domain. In fact, we believe that there is an impedance mismatch between the workflow-oriented tools like Airflow, which deals primarily with tasks, and the rest of the data platform, which deals primarily with data assets like database tables, machine learning models, and files. Dagster takes a different approach. Dagster is the only widely adopted asset-oriented data orchestrator, built from the ground up with data assets and data awareness at its core. This unique architecture enables Dagster Plus to deliver a category-redefining, integrated experience, bringing together unique capabilities into one tool in order to speed up your development work, reduce your costs, and simplify your data platform.